Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. Oh, I'm alright guys. If it's your first time here, you're watching me for the first time, you're welcome. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for sticking out with me on my channel. Okay guys, in this video, I'll be sharing with you all how to decorate a cake with whipped cream. I know I've shared on my page different design, but this particular one here is how to achieve a textured design using whipped cream. So it's actually something that it's simple, it's not difficult. Once you're done, frosting your cake, like I said, I've shared different tutorials on my YouTube channel on how to frost your cake using whipped cream. If you're new here for the first time and you've not seen the video, you can as well take your time to scroll down and watch my videos on how to use whipped cream on your cakes. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to teach you all how to achieve a textured whipped cream. In this video, you can use whatever thing you have in your kitchen. You can even use something as spoon. Yes, the spoon you use to eat, you can use it to achieve a textured whipped cream. You can use knife. Yeah, a palette knife. Yes, for me, I used a palette knife in this video to achieve a textured whipped cream. Don't you worry, we are almost approaching there in this video. So I used a palette knife to achieve my own textured. You can also use a silicone brush to achieve a textured whipped cream. You can use foil. Yes, this foil we use, not the foil plates, like foil itself. You just cut it out and then you squeeze it and then use to achieve a textured. So when I say texture, this is what we call textured whipped cream. And this design can also be used for a butter cream. As far as anything cream cake, you can use those tools I mentioned to achieve your textured. So this is what we call the textured whipping cream. Like I said, I used my palette knife. So just look around what you have in your kitchen. If you feel like it's gonna give you something like this, then why not? You can go ahead. Please, if you're new here and you've not subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so. Click the subscribe button to get notification when I upload the video. Also, after watching this video, if you enjoyed it, give it a like, click the like button. Also drop a nice comment after watching this video. Okay, I also have other videos you can watch on my channel. They're enlightening, and then they're like 100% value. So you can take your time to go through my channel and watch the videos there. Okay, so back to what I was saying. This is the textured whipping cream. Again, like I said, you can use it for your butter cream. Anything that has to do with cream cakes, textured cream is beautiful for it. So this is the textured part. For the whipped cream recipe, if you have a whipped cream that is not stable enough, you can send me a DM. I'm going to put in my WhatsApp link on the description, whereby you can just click on it and chat me. I have a very stable whipped cream recipe that can help you. And yes, if my own doesn't melt, it can stay for 24 hours. So if you're interested, you can click on the link and I'll actually give you a discount. It's actually affordable. Yes, it's at affordable. So just if you have issues with your whipped cream, like it's melting before it gets to your client destination, or it's not stable enough, don't worry, I'm here to help you. Just send me a message, like click on the link and let's talk on WhatsApp. Okay, so we are gradually you know this is the design here, the textured. At the end of the day, this cake turned out very beautiful, guys. Like it was unique, especially when I actually sprayed it with gold. And it came out beautiful. So it's something that's simple. And I also advise that when you're doing this, you can don't apply too much pressure while you're actually trying to achieve this textured. Okay, you don't have to apply too much pressure. So yeah, it's design, guys. This is the design. This is what we achieved or this is what I achieved at the end of the day. You can as well spray some gold dust to give it some and to add some extra beauty to it. And I use this I don't know this kind of shoe design on the cake. You can get this image from Pinterest, right? Guys, so if you're having issues with your whipped cream, you can send me a message. There's this link on the description of this video. click on it and send me a message on WhatsApp. If you're having issues with your whipped cream, like it's not stable, it melts before you get to your client destination, you can send me a message on WhatsApp and I'll give you a discount. I have a discounted class on whipped cream where you can just get to watch, and after watching this class, your whipped cream will not remain the same. It's very affordable, guys. So just click on the link on this video description and send me a message. So we are coming to the end of this video, and I love how this video came out. This particular cake came out. It's beautiful. You can see it for yourself, guys. For the image, you can, like I said, check on Pinterest, yes, or Google, but Pinterest is much more better. So how is it, guys? I hope this cake is lovely. For me, I love the cake because it's so beautiful. Okay, so guys, if you enjoy watching this video, please kindly give it a thumbs up, click on the like button, and also subscribe to my channel to get more videos notification. Also, please, like I said, if you're having issues with your whipped cream, just send me a message by clicking on the link on this video description, and I'll give you the discount offer. Okay, so come to the end of this video. See how beautiful this cake is. Like, my customer actually loved this cake. Like, she kept on screaming it's beautiful and all of that stuff. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I'm sure you've learned how to achieve a texture design on your cream cakes. Like I said, it could be a buttercream cake, it could be a whipped cream cake, but as far as a cream cake, you can as well achieve this design. This design is very simple. You can use any tool available in your kitchen to achieve this design. You can use palette knife, foil, just squeeze the foil paper and then use it to, like touch the cake. You can use spoon. Yes, you can use the spoon using it. Just look for something that, just be creative with it, okay? Once again, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you love this cake, because for me, I love it and it's so beautiful. Once again, guys, thank you so much for watching and have an amazing time while learning. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.